my name is Hussain and I study in the biotechnology wing of DOW University of Health Sciences. So I had the privilege of meeting Mr. Hassan Sayed in NIB as well, and ask a session unka. It was very informative, and I think it's high time that we squash this misconception that we have that AI is more of a foe than a friend. And I had a fun time. Thank you for Auric and Aspire Pakistan for arranging this time.
Assalamualaikum, this is Pania Mughal and I'm currently enrolled in DOW College of Biotechnology, pursuing a degree in biotechnology. So I had the opportunity to attend the fun and interactive session by Hassan Sayed. It was really fun and interesting, and he opened up like great opportunities for a career, and he told us how AI is going to replace humans, how it's so fascinating in a way that we can actually control and learn the way AI works, and we can be more, how we can outsmart AI. So yeah, it was very good.
Assalamualaikum, this is Fatma, and I'm a student of DOW College of Biotechnology, currently enrolled in third year. Today, I got the opportunity to attend an interactive session that was organized by Auric and Mr. Hassan Sayed. But basically, Mr. Hassan Sayed cleared our misconception and told us that we are the ones who could use AI to make our futures better. And I hope to see more sessions like this.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Shama Arup and I am enrolled in the Biotech Department of DOW University of Health and Sciences, and today I attended this workshop. Sir Hassan Sayed, I have met him in NIB as well, and he gave us today very knowledgeable insights about the upcoming job opportunities, which will be related to AI mostly, and how they are going to enhance the job and the fields for biotech students as well, and overall health sector. And he provided us with very professional and practical advices which we can implement in our futures for a better career and for better opportunities.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Alishba Khan. I'm enrolled in the program of biotechnology from DOW College of Biotechnology. This workshop first and foremost cleared our misunderstanding about learning AI is only for the technological people or the technology based professions. But here, the reality is AI is taking away many jobs, and it is also creating many jobs. So every profession and every field needs to catch up to it. Now we are very motivated to plan our careers and also become a very worthy citizen of our country.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Fatma Kazi and I'm currently enrolled in biotechnology. Basically what we learned today is that how AI is going to become or have become the core strength of every career path that we think of either joining or being a part of. But now since it's here, so what we plan to do is basically that how we are going to collaborate or how we are going to add AI in our curriculum and in our studies and whatever we pursue to do in the future.